What's up, Peak Timers? Today we are unboxing the 2019 Hot Wheels J case, and oh my god, there are some amazing cars inside of this case. This video has been brought to you by granatoys.com. The most asked question I get on Peak Time Racing is, where do I purchase my Hot Wheels cases? And it's at Granatoys. Granatoys offers a full line of mainline and premium Hot Wheels, as well as Greenlight, Matchbox, Disney cars, Johnny Lightning, and M2 machines. Check them out at www.granatoys.com, or also check them out on their eBay. There'll be links in the description box below. All right, let's get right to it. All right, let's start right up on the top right here. First, we have the Corvette Racer. We've got the 78 Little Red Express Truck and the Hollinator. After that, we have got the Monstosaurus, the Mazda RX-7, and the Road Race Robocar. Very cool casting. After that, we've got the brand new Diora 3. Oh, that's kind of an interesting casting. Shout out to Drifter D. The Diora 2 is his favorite casting. Here's the 3 though. Interesting. We'll have to open that one up in a future video. Next, we've got the 5 Alarm, and we've got a brand new color for the Indy Oval. I like the Indy Oval casting. It's a cool casting. All right, let's see what else we have up here. We've got 2 custom Volkswagen Beetles, and we've got the Evil Weevil. And then hiding behind the Evil Weevil, we've got a wheelie chair. It's a new color. We saw that one in the previous case though. And we've got the Volkswagen Golf MK2, and then we've also got another wheelie chair. And then next up, we've got 2 of the Volkswagen Keifer Racers, new colorway for those, and we've got this Skyboat. And we've got some cars falling out here. We've got the Rig Heats, we've got Gazella GT, and the 78 Little Red Express Truck in silver. I love how they have the red Express Truck, but it's a different color. We got a new colorway of the Dodge Challenger Drift car. That's an interesting color, like that. And there's another one of the Indy Ovals. And next up, we've got the Rig Heats and 68 Nova. We see that one in the previous case, and that's that new white color of it. And what else do we have down here? We've got the Octane, the Volkswagen Caddy. It's a pickup truck type of thing. And we've got a Moto Wing, new color of the Moto Wing. There's another one of the Volkswagen Caddies, new color of Track Manga. Check it out, Track Manga, it's a really cool casting. 87 Dodge D100, there's another one of those new colorway variations of it. What else do we have down here? 68 Copo Camaro, new color variation, and I don't know if that's an error or not. Is the back wheel supposed to be different? I think the back wheel is actually supposed to be different. I'm not 100% sure. Correct me in the comments, guys. And 69 Dodge Charger 500, new colorway. I like that color. That looks good with those wheels. 68 Mercury Cougar as well. There we go. Mercury Cougar. We'll put those aside. Let's go on to the bottom here. We'll pull the case a little bit forward so we can see. And we'll start up at the top right here. Piranha Terra, brand new color variation for Piranha Terra. 67 Chevy C10. Nice flame job on that one, wow. Volkswagen MK2, another one of those. And what else do we have up top right here? We've got the 2018 Camaro SS in that new green color, 2 of those. And another one of the 69 Charger 500s. Copo Camaro SS, new color variation. Very, very cool. And there's that 69 Corvette race car again. What do we have up here? We've got the 2010 Camaro SS Police Edition. It looks like Hot Wheels PD. And there's another McLaren Senna we saw in the previous case. We've got another one, as well as another 2018 Civic Type R we saw in the previous case. Love to have those extra Sennas. We've got the Evil Weevil, another one of those, Electrac, and Robo Race Car. Robo Race Robo Car. It's kind of a tongue twister of a name. Interesting car though. All right. What else do we have up here? New color variation of the Dune Daddy. I believe that's our third color variation of that. And this was one that I was looking forward to, the custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT Golf Edition. I really like this car. Can't wait to open those ones up. What else do we have down here? We've got the Croc Rod, 87 Dodge D100. And we've got Honda City Turbo 2, that's a new color variation. And that one's looks like a matte black finish on it. And then we've got another color variation of the Muscle Bound and the Moto Wing. Ooh, new color variation of the Mercedes AMG GT3. I'm liking that, I love that casting. There's another Diora 3 and another Civic Type R. Very cool. Oh, I see the ones that I'm really looking forward to. First, we've got the Jeepster Commando, and there it is, the Tesla Model 3. The highlight from this case, very, very cool casting. Really, really looking forward to this casting. We'll definitely be opening these ones up this week in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. And, oh, there's another one I was looking forward to, the Barbie car with the brand new Barbie packaging. Check out that. Is that not neat? Very, very cool. 60th anniversary of Barbie. And fun fact, the girl or lady who invented Barbies was married to the guy that invented Hot Wheels. So very cool. A couple invented Barbies and Hot Wheels together. We got the Z-Rod, the 70 Chevelle SS wagon, and our last three cars at the bottom here, Nissan Fairlady Z, the new color variation, and the Hot Wheels armored truck. Ooh, that one's really, really cool. Thanks, Peak Timers, for watching this video. Make sure you let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car from the 2019 Hot Wheels J Case.